Hi, this is Prasad Matkar, and today I am going to explain you our EDM model 5030 ZNC and a brief for how to operate the machine and what are the functions of this machine. This machine is basically our smallest machine 5030 ZNC 5030 manual. This is the emergency switch which is used for switching off the machine, and when you are switching on you have to release it by rotating in clockwise direction, and you can power on the machine with this switch rotating in clockwise direction. Being this is manual machine, we have X and Y axis manual, where you can do the Y axis movement. You can see the Y axis coordinate moving, and same in X, when you move in X direction you can see X axis movement. We have an locking system for form locking once the position is fixed. This is for X locking. You can rotate and you can lock this. Same you can have in Y for Y axis. This is the form position, and for Z axis you have manual up down switches where you can easily travel the Z axis. Same switches are also available on the screen board. This is an operating screen board where it is divided into three functions, three parts. The first top part is the interlocks, where you can see all interlock. This first is the power on interlock. This is the depth is reached. This is for fan failure. This is for motor failure. This is for fumes. This is limit. This is for low level. This is over temperature. This is overflow, and this is spark guard. Here you have an ammeter and voltmeter. Ammeter is to show the current, whatever parameter we are putting on, the same can be seen over here. This is the voltage, that how stable machine works according to our set voltage can be seen. This is all operating parts over here for the manual parameters, and this part is for all functions. The different functions can be done from here. I'll explain you one by one what the each switch means to be. This is the first switch, which is for sparking time. There is always in EDM sparking, little sparking, and then jump, little sparking, and the sparking time will be defined by this switch. This switch will define the lifting time. Higher the pot value will be higher the distance. This is for anti-arcing. In EDM, what happens, if there is carbon formation, there is an arcing tendency which will unstabilize the sparking. If we keep it higher, it will be more sensitive. If we will lower and it will come to 1, then it is almost at bypass condition. Normally we have to keep it between 4 to 5 for better results. This is the gap voltage. This is gap voltage, means it will find out the gap between the electrode and workpiece. It will maintain accordingly. Normally it is around 5 to 6. 5 means 50, 6 means 60. It will be around from 5 to 6, and in finishing you can go up to 70. This is sensitivity. This will control the speed of Z-axis movement. Lower it will be minimum speed, 1 it will be lock, there will be no movement, and as you go higher there will be higher movement. And now this parameter 3 are the main parameter for sparking. This we call as and duty cycles. 1 means a minimum duty cycles, where you will be having maximum off time. So normally we keep it around 9 to 10 for stable sparking, and this is on time. This is dependent upon your on time off time. For normal we keep it around 100 to 100 for higher ampere. If ampere is around 6 to 10, you can keep 100 to 200. If as you go lower 20, you should have a lower current, otherwise the electrode wear will be more. Now we have this is 35 amps machine, so we'll be having 10 amperes from this side and from another 10 from this selections. Now I'll explain the below switch where you can operate the machine. I will start from here. This is more important. This is up and down key for Z-axis movement. This then this is to stop any operation. This is for spark on. Whenever we set the job, everything, we can start the machine. You can say this as a start or a spark on. This is to on the pump. This is to do auto pause, to find the edge in z axis. This is to do sparking in positive direction. Normally we do in negative direction. Z negative we do the sparking. We can do in. This is if somebody is not available and we want to put a program, we can on this switch after completion of program. The machine will automatically get off. This is to lock the machine, means Z axis lock. You can take to one position and you can lock the axis. This is mostly used in edge finding. Whenever you are doing edge find, center find, this is used. This is to reset the buzzer. Any alarm is there or some false alarm is there or your depth is completed, you can reset the machine. This is for buzzer, to buzzer reset, buzzer on off. This is the switch you can operate. This is for jumping moment, means in sparking you have to spark and jump, spark and jump. If you make this on, it will be doing sparking in fast movement. It is compulsory that to have this operation on, you have to have this auto flush option off on. If this is not on, this will not operate. And last thing, you have one more thing. This is related to flushing, means when we do sparking, we will give side flashing. For this thing it should be on.